If you have multiple clips for your movie, the clips are basically going to be cutting very abruptly from one to another. If you want to have a smoother transitions between clips, you can add transition effects to your movie. In this video, we will show you how to add transition effects to your video clips using iMovie. You can see all your iMovie collection of transition by clicking transition in the content library above the event browser. So we have cross dissolve, cross blur, fade to black, cross zoom, ripple, and all these are all the transitions that are available. Using transition is just a simple matter of dragging the one that you want to use between clips. Right? Okay, let me choose another one. By default, all transitions are set to 1 second duration. If that is too quick for you, you can choose a longer duration by clicking on the transition. Okay, you can change to 2, 1.5 seconds, and sometimes iMovie does not allow you to change if your clips are too short. You can also choose a theme to apply the transition to all your clips. Let me choose no theme first and automatic content. You can see that the transitions are applied to all the clips. So when you don't have a theme selected for your project, you will get cross dissolve transition. If you are using a theme for your project, you will get other transitions. Okay, let me choose time streak. You can see the transition. Okay, or you can choose comic book. Alright, you can see the transition for different themes by playing the theme. Okay, let me choose photo album. So let's go to the beginning and play. So if you have changed your mind or just prefer no theme, then what you do is that you can change back to no theme again. And if you want to delete all your transition, you can click on this and click delete. It will say, do you want to turn off the automatic content? You put yes, and you can delete all the rest. Okay, let me just choose one more last example, film strip, and let's play the theme and the transition. Okay, this concludes the video on how to add transition effects to the video clips using iMovie. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.